Our journey to the elephant sanctuary in Kanchanaburi started at Thornbury railway station in Bangkok. The train ride takes about a couple of hours, and it is a very unique way to experience the transition from busy Bangkok to Thailand's picturesque backcountry. In Kanchanaburi, we were picked up at the hotel early in the morning by a project shuttle and then traveled on some backcountry roads for about an hour. These roads are narrow, windy, and you're always surrounded by either a lush forest or farmland. It's quite an interesting ride. You know, it's kind of interesting. There is a magical connection that happens when you are in the presence of these elephants that can't really be described in words, and it really needs to be experienced. I would say at least once in a lifetime. It is as if these amazing creatures know that their past of hard work and harsh living conditions is now behind them, and they seem to express their gratitude through their gentle demeanor and their playful behavior. At the project, we prepared their favorite treats and food as a group, fed them, walked with them, and bathed them in the river. This is truly an amazing example of sustainable ecological tourism where visitors can and do have a meaningful impact on the quality of life of these retired elephants who have been replaced with machinery in modern Thai forestry. Something interesting happens after we visit one of these ethical elephant sanctuaries. We start realizing that the future of these animals, as well as their handlers, who've now become employed as their caretakers at the project, would likely have had a much different outcome had it not been for this creative approach to an ever-changing environment driven mostly by technology and tourism. So, at the end of the day, if you're going to be traveling in Thailand and if you're going to be spending some time with elephants, I would urge you to give the elephant sanctuaries, and there are several of them in the country, some serious consideration. The animals deserve it. The people who work with them certainly can use your support, and I can guarantee you, without a shadow of a doubt, that you will have a magical, magnificent experience that will last you a lifetime.